This morning, wildfires continue to burn out of control around Los Angeles, now covering nearly 27,000 combined acres.
Yeah, the latest one in the Hollywood Hills is just miles from so many popular tourist attractions in Southern California. We want to show you where all 6 of them are across that Los Angeles area right now, currently burning. So many homes up in flames, people losing a lifetime worth of possessions. More than 1,000 have been destroyed. That wind, the Santa Ana winds that really come in from the desert, they bring that warm, dry air, fueling these flames. Gusts reaching 100 miles an hour. And again, tens of thousands of people there under evacuation warnings. Gridlock across the city, forcing people abandoning their cars, having to escape on foot.
This is pretty devastating. This is pretty devastating. I don't think LA's seen anything like this before.
Most people haven't, so resources are being sent from neighboring states. At this point, no fire crews from North Texas are headed to California.